So, hello friends, this is me again, Anirudh here, and today our date is 23/4. As I have shared, if you know that previously I have shared chart, and in that those dates, these today's date was there. That date was 15th, 2nd, 8th, 15th, 23rd, and 26. Recently, I have also shared some charts relating 23rd, 28, and also I have mentioned 15 to 18. So there was a huge, if you see, there were huge, I would say huge opening, and we hit all time high. And currently we moved down, and today was turn date, and again, what has so what is the video for what I have did I'm coming live for today. I have came for people have asked me about how to construct Gann square. So this is not a perfect Gann square. I have corrected, I have made on my computer, and this one is not perfect, but I'm trying to show something what Gann did and how his teachings or how his points are related to it. And am I clear? If three people are watching, if you can hit like, it would be great for me to continue. Anyways, no issues. I know this is just for me. I'm just vlogging. Thank you. One person has did. Okay, all the three. Thank you. Thank you very much. So I have tried to do what to balance the structure of Nifty. I have taken Nifty chart. This is long term chart. Remember, this is not price time squaring. I am telling you how to draw a Gann square or Gann box in a definite or in a perfect structure or frame, so that you can finally go out and check out another stocks also. This would relatively help you to determine the prices of the stock. Soon I will be working on different types of stocks, and I would show how it is balanced or it is not balanced depending upon the characteristics. So let's move to the chat. You can ask me doubts at any place, right? So friends, this is Nifty chart inside Gann box. You can see over here, this is bottom. You can see over here, this is top. But this is not the right method. I am just touching the bottoms and tops, and I can say the price and time has balance, but this is not always true, right? I can also make a top over here, or a top over here, or over here, but it will not give you the right answer. This is the main mistake we do. But still, this chart is around about 60 to 70% perfect. Why? I would say, see, this is 1:1 angle. This line is 1:1 angle. This line is 2:1 angle. This line is 1:2. This is 1:1. See, price and time are balanced. This is, if you take, price is moving twice fast than time, and if you take this is price is moving one time slower, or time is moving twice as fast as price, right? So this one, and then comes the some resistance point, right? Now this is the 50% line, what Gann had said in some of his books, and you can see how strong this resistance was. This was 1, this was 2, this was 3, right? Third time when it broke, it gave a violent rally, and you can see where it has touched at the intersection point. So with the help of chart and time, you can find out the points where it will act and where it will get support. Same here, the support line was breached a little and it has taken support at third 8. You can see many yellow dots, those are all support points in between the lines, right? And this one is quite good according to me. See, I am speaking in English due to some of the viewers has told me to speak in English so that it may help. Any doubts, guys? I think only 4 people are watching me anyways. No issues. Whenever someone do watch it, you can post your comments in the comment box. I will try to answer or revert it. Now what is happening over here? If you see, Gann has always said that price is also memory and history repeats everything. So you can see this point, this rise and fall was repeated over here. This rise and fall with amplified view. Again, if you see this move and this price fall was again done over here with amplified view. Again, this is a rally. This point is somewhere around here. Again a violent fall, again second rise, rally, and then this is the final rise, and we are at the final rise, and then again a big fall came, right? So there is some kind of relation. This is not always the right thing to do, but see, this is the 45-degree angle. Whenever price moves at 2:1 angle, it tends to fall to 1:1 angle or tends to fall at 1:2 angle, and it has fallen over here during this place, right? I am zooming it for our convenience. Right, if you look at over here, it has touched 2:1 line and then fall into 1:2 line. Then again mean reversion, it has tried to maintain balance over here. Whenever it goes above the balance, hit this line, this was the resistance, and fallen back, hit the support. Again moving up, right? So here it has touched, this was one natural resistance point, also 50 degree point. Yes, it's kind of similar channel. Could you use trading you drive it low? See, I have drawn with the help of some instruments, right? I have tried to make it, right? So this was again, this is support point, this is again, and if you, when you read this was a major decision point, this one. From there it has fallen back, and this line again becomes a resistance line here. Same is resistance line over here. You can see it has not crossed this line or this line, and still we have not crossed this line. I can extend this chart. I don't understand how you are taking it as a channel, right? I am not showing you the channel, I am showing you the angles. In last discussion, someone has asked me about the angles, how angles work and how to balance time and price, and I am just showing you the price movement and time movement. Whenever the price has moved above the time, it has fallen back and tried to balance this move over this move, right? And if we are moving in the same line, right, just see that this move was far away from this price and time line, which was an high imbalance, and to balance this move, a violent down move came. Again this violent down move, we moved up, and this was balanced by this consolidation move. Again we moved up. So this is normally What I am trying to explain is price and time balancing, not the channel. Yes, someone has said me that Gann 7.5, 15, 18.75, 26.25, 45, 63.75. See, these are all numbers. It works in one or the other way. You have to find your suitable numbers and find out. I think your answer is hidden in this chart. You can easily find those points over here, and resistance clearly visible over here, and clearly the supports. This is the price and time chart of I think this is the basis of my prediction in many videos. And sometimes this is the manual calculation also. I have drawn it on the chart paper also. So this shows some kind of reading where you will see all these things, right? So this is, see, I am giving you the thing. If you calculate from this point to this point with the time and price unit, considering this as an unit price or unit time, and you can find exact dates at which place the price and time has balanced, and from there which move has started. So it will help you in many ways. So this was one point, this is one point, this was one point. See, at the same point, this is the time point where you have seen the reaction coming, right? Again, now let's move to the another point. This was the point, this was the time point. If you refer to this point and see violent up move, and next point, for the next point, I have to draw another square covering this area, above this and below this. So that square will be covered, and as per the time points are covering, right? This axis, that this below axis is time, this axis is price. So whenever I'm counting this as a 1 year, or I am taking this as a 10 year, or I am taking this as a 10 days, it depends upon you. So this will give me a, right? See, if I take this square, let's take it. So at this point, price and time has balanced. Again, price and time has balanced. Again, if I take a bigger square, price and time has balanced. I am saying that this one is not perfect, but this one is 60 to 70% perfect. I am trying to show you the way how to see it. At this point is a perfect square where price and time has balanced, but the mean reversion, this movement should be balanced by down move, so it was balanced, right? Just see it. This one is again a bigger square, then again a bigger square, again a bigger square, again a bigger square, again a bigger square. So by this way you can get dates also, you can get price levels also, and you need to see, you cannot predict price levels, but you can project price levels, right? And also project dates also. After this, if I see resistance over this point, so I can calculate this distance, add those distance, and get a point or a date over here, and this can be calculated in future, so that to get any turn point or any reaction area. That is the main purpose of this chart, right? So this was roughly a 45-degree angle moving chart. It has not turned down till yet. Only once, twice, thrice it has majorly moved down. So anything more? I think this would help you. I can zoom in or zoom out. You can tell me any section. I can help you, or help you to locate, or help you to understand that why at that place the price has moved down or not. You can comment so that I can see it. By this way you can also construct your chart with the help of chart paper. from this place to this place. You have to take price levels, everything. So I hope this is clear and this will help everyone. Any doubts, if someone needs to ask, you can post, those who are not viewing or those who are going to view it. Yes, these angles work in intraday, definitely, man. But for that you need to be precise. So thank you guys. I'm closing this session. I think seems only 5 people and no more questions. Those who will watch it afterwards, you can post me questions in the comment box. Hit like, hit subscribe and help me to grow and help me to reach more people.